Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're unboxing the Sony LinkBuds. These just came out recently and this is one of those products that people either hate or they really love it. The thing is that with products like these, I think that it's built for like a very specific usage case or scenario. So let's open this. For myself, whether I'm gonna keep these is really gonna be down to whether these are gonna fit my ears well and whether these are gonna give me a good experience when I'm in a indoor environment and kind of want to use these for something such as work. It looks pretty slick. I don't know if these are gonna fit me. I feel like I may need to play around with the rubber ring, try the different size, maybe a smaller one, to see whether it's gonna hold these in place. Because so far they don't feel like they're gonna stay in there. If you do feel like all the other earphones are gonna build up pressure inside your ear, I think this one will really solve your problem. But the other thing is that I can hear the outside noise really well. So if you do want to hear a lot of ambient noise, or if you're mainly going to use them in an indoor environment, these are, so far it feels pretty good. I can't comment on anything else yet because I need to play around with the tip. This is a Samsung Note 9, so if you are playing anything like, let's say 50% volume, these are the things that I kind of expect from these earphones. So if someone does open the door right now and come in, I can hear them if I'm listening to a podcast or some light music. And these shouldn't really be your only pair of earbuds. It's been about a week or two since I unboxed the Sony LinkBuds. The pros is that the sound quality is actually fairly decent. It's the kind of sound that you really either like or hate. So what I like the LinkBuds are that it's fairly lightweight, even though the fit, which is I would say falls under the con category. So what that does essentially is, even though that the fit is horrible, but because it's so lightweight that you can just kind of deal with it, even though the fit is it's not that good, to be honest. The other things I like about the LinkBuds is that the connection is actually pretty decent. I would say that every Bluetooth wireless earbuds, you get some sort of disconnection once in a while. It's not perfect, but with the 5.2 Bluetooth technology, I would say it's right up there. So all the things that I like about the Sony earbuds, you can also find around the other Bluetooth wireless earbuds. And the biggest difference is that when I'm playing something, let's say a podcast or music indoors, you are much more aware of the surroundings around you. So this I think achieve what it's made for. In terms of the noise cancellation, if you do max up the volume, you still can like cancel out most of the noise around you. But I think that just defeats the purpose of these. You might as well just get the regular earbuds at that point. And with these ones, when you're wearing them, I think it really is for when you do want to get a sense of what is going on around you, whether it will be indoors or outdoors. For podcasts, this is like a 8 out of the 10. Now let's get to the things that I don't like or I hate about these. But it didn't stop me from returning them, so it's not as bad as you think. So the thing I hate the most about Sony LinkBuds is that the fit. So the fit of these are really weird because I can almost get like two different sound signature or different sound with these. If I push the ring up, then the bottom part has a lot of space, and then it gives it like quite a three-dimensional sound, which is the part that I really like about these. But it doesn't hold the earbuds in place that well when I'm using it in this kind of way. It sometimes the ring sometimes fall out, but the sound is amazing, and that's really nice for vocals, and that's really nice for podcasts. It's really nice, and I get the full sort of ambient sound. So I kind of like this, but then the only thing is that it doesn't hold into place that well. I tried different rings, but still it's not optimum. And the other way I can use these are when I'm pushing these down into my ears. So it holds into my ears. But the issues I have with this configuration is that it really digs into my ears and hurts my ears. It gives a lot of bass. It just sounds more like the regular earbuds, and I don't like that as much, but it holds it into place. So that's the thing I dislike the most about the Sony earbuds. The other thing about the fit is that like sometimes I have one going deeper into my ear and the one towards the upper part of my ear, and that just changes the sound completely. So one side where it digs deeper, I get a lot of bass, and the other side is like you're getting this like really clear vocal. So the sound volume is different, and that's just horrible. You're getting like two different sounds. So, but once you keep it into place and both sounding the same, that's when it is actually pretty nice. I don't think they have it on display in the stores, but just do consider the fit and what you're going to use for. These are the two biggest factors. Let's say you are talking to someone with these on. Don't expect to hear them like really clearly. Not as clear as when you were to take them off. So I know they have like two holes on here, but it's not going to sound as the same when you take these off. So that's the other thing to consider. So that's my conclusion for the Sony LinkBuds, and you decide on whether to get them. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in another video. Bye.